feels pretty dry. Hey guys, welcome back to Our Garage Auto Detail. Today we got the wife's car in for a maintenance wash. If you haven't seen this car before, I did a whole series, winter prep series on it. I will link the playlist up in the card. Remember, my left, your right, it's up there in the corner. But in one of the episodes, we coated it. I did a 50-50 splitter down, right down the middle. We did a spray coating. It's good for like 6 months, but today we're gonna check those coatings. We're gonna see how they're doing. Then we're gonna wash the car with a McKee's 37 SiO2 auto wash to kind of help rejuvenate that coating. And then we'll see what kind of hydrophobic properties it has. So this should be kind of a short video. We'll overlay some music. Matter of fact, you're probably hearing it right now. We'll do some time lapse. We did a GRIOT'S 3-in-1. The 3-in-1 ceramic wax, and we did the John's 360 ceramic spray coating. So let's check it out. All right, before we get started, I just wanted to remind you there's going to be several products in this video. None of them are sponsored, but the product I did want to talk to you guys about was Allbirds. They're supposed to be a waterproof shoe. Actually supposed to be a waterproof running shoe. We're gonna see how they work washing the car. Anyone that has detailed washed cars before know about wet feet, soggy socks. Anyway, I haven't had a ton of luck with these yet, so we're gonna see how well they do. So more to follow on the shoes. Alright guys, wheels and tires are clean. Again, one of the dirtiest parts. Always like to start with that with my separate wheel bucket. But a quick little spray of McKee's 37 Hydro Blue SiO2 coating for the wheels and tires. Just touch up that hydrophobic properties. Beads up pretty well. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this so that I don't blow your guys' eardrums out. So I'll try to do that in post. But let's take a look at how dirty it is. In need of a good washing, a good washing. Okay. Oh, the sun's starting to come out. That's nice. All right. Let's grab the pressure washer. All right, folks. You can see quite a bit of reflection again because that's the paint. Paint's in pretty good condition. You know, the car's pretty new. It's 2018. We polished it before we coated it. Anyway, it's dirty, hasn't been touched. Let's see what happens. Okay, see it sheets pretty good, still beating. There looks to be a little bit of a dead spot right here. It's pretty flat. I mean, it sheets, but it takes a really long time. Yeah, Mama doesn't really like her windows coated anyway, so that's pretty dead, but let's take a look at the sides here. Honestly, I'm pretty sure that's slug guts. It's just kind of nasty, but let me go ahead and wash it and let's see what happens. Okay, well that took a little bit longer than I thought. As you can see, she's still sudsy. Sun came out, it started to dry a little bit, but let's take a look and see. Here, I might have to wash it again. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Spot down here looks better. I'm gonna have to, get the water off the lens is what I'm gonna have to do. Look, I'm gonna have to rewash it. Chatty Cathy showed up, and so I wasn't able to rinse it off correctly. So let's, I'm gonna have to throw some more suds on it. That spot's better in the corner. Alright guys, my battery's about to die, but what I could say is either one of those coatings is still holding up. That's what I love about a coated car. Just blow it right off. I'm gonna get this thing finished up, but as you guys can see, those coatings are still on there. They were just a spray coating, right? They're good for 6 months, 8 months, less than a year, but at this point, it's held on for, I don't know, 8 months-ish. Okay, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Yep, feels pretty dry. Okay, Allbirds seem to do the trick. These are actually a running shoe. All right, guys, if you liked what you saw, you know what to do. And until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.